showing all the instruments. And that's what we're going to be using today in this music challenge. And you see we're in a different setup. We've got the horizon and the ocean, if you can see that, and the forest, and a lamp, and a house, and another house, and friends living in that house. Okay, well let's get started. So, what instrument should I use first? I think the drums. Ukulele, however you want to say it. I say it like a guitar. Something's in there. Whatever. Next one, D-ball. Kind of like a drum, but different. Sounds like you're strapping a boogie. Okay, I believe this is the last instrument. Oh no, we still have one more. Two more actually. Okay, I'll try and do this fast. That's pretty loud. Hey, next instrument. That was really loud. So. I just want to keep